Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Okay, so take your paper horizontally, vertically, it does not matter. I took it horizontally here. So what you're gonna do, the first tip is you hold your pencil a little bit back, okay? Do not hold your pencil and draw the line. Let me show you here. So I'm gonna make a line here and then we'll put the don'ts and the do's here. And the do's here. So let me show you the first thing. What mostly we do, the mistake is we hold our pencil here and then try to make a straight line. Okay, see, it's not a straight line, correct? Because you always have to hold a little bit back and then use the straight line, then do the straight line. Okay, so this is tip number 1. Now, tip number 2. Draw, we mostly use these two joints. So what you're gonna do here, you have to move your entire hand. Do not move only just this finger. For making the lines, just try to move your entire hand. So let me show you. If I only hold closer or if I hold back but still using only this finger muscle, so I'm not getting like much area over here to cover, so I have to do a small line, then pause, and then again a small line, then pause, and then I have to connect the line. So that's how your lines becomes very wiggly, right? But if you move your entire arm and then see, you have a perfect straight line. Okay, so this is tip number 2. Now comes to the tip number 3. So the tip number 3 is when you hold your pencil, if you hold it super tight, look, I'm holding very tight. So if you hold it tight and then try to make the line, see, it becomes very wiggly. But if you hold them loose, like do not add too much pressure over here. Just make it very gentle, very light. So, and use your definitely the entire elbow. See, I'm making the line, it's very light, but it's straight. So tip number 3 is do not hold your pencil super tight, okay? Now comes to tip number 4. So what is the tip number 4? You have to make an imaginary line. Suppose you have to draw from here to here, make the line. So you just, if you draw like this, and it become a little bit wiggly, sometimes can be a little straight, but most of the time it gets wiggly. But before you make the line, if you just think that there is an imaginary line and make your hand gets used to it. So remember, I told you for the circle video as well. So if you go make an imaginary line couple of times, run your hands, and then you make the line, you always get a perfect straight line. So tip number 4 is imaginary line. Tip number 5. So this is very, very important, which is do not scare. Do not scare to make a line. That's okay if it gets wiggly, if it gets, uneven, that's absolutely fine. If you scare, your hand shakes, okay? And then you become then you make a wiggly line. Try to be confident, try to be draw the line more confidently, okay? That's it. So that's all for the tip of your do's and don'ts when you make the lines. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to practice them. So let me get a new paper. Okay, now I took another paper, and then over here I'm going to show you how you're going to practice the straight line. So for that, first hold your paper, have a nice grip, on your paper and then make some lines left to right, bottom to top, any direction. You can go any direction. Hold it from the back, loosen it up. Do not add too much pressure. Same thing, you practice different direction. You can actually use your color pencils to practice this line. Let me show you how that's gonna look. Okay, now I took my 5 color pencil. You can choose any color you want and then make sure they're sharp enough. Then you can take any of the color pencil and then start practicing the line. So you can practice 10 lines with each color. So it's gonna be together 50 lines. So you can change your direction with the same color, that's not a problem. So 10 lines with each color. Some of them will be smaller, some of them will be bigger. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any question, anything regarding this video. If you not be able to understand any topic, just please let me know so I can guide you. You can leave me a comments and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye bye.